the skin surrounding its body appears covered with laceration crocodiles. And then, the battle to protect the throne and prestige was mobilized. And the new dynasty was born. And at this point, you begin to wonder what will happen to the emperors. As everyone's life is different, personality in him, the lion is always resilient and strong in all circumstances. And as long as they present themselves as an easily bullied animal, the old guys will definitely not forgive them. Therefore, they still try to endure and show majesty, even though they have gradually reached the final moment of king.